Meaning of diametrically.
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 Diametrically. Diametrically is an adverb that means in complete opposition or directly opposite. When two things are diametrically opposed, they are completely different or opposite in nature or purpose. It suggests that there is a clear and distinct contrast between the two things being referred to. For example, if two people have diametrically opposite views on a certain topic, it means they hold completely different positions on the matter and cannot agree with each other. Diametrically is often used to emphasize the stark contrast between two things or ideas.